Now back to our top story, the public hearing in Josephine County.
News 10's Jessica DeNova has more on the proposal.
Concerned Josephine County residents marched up the stairs of the Anne Basker Auditorium for the Jackson County Board of Commissioners' first public hearing on the establishment of a law enforcement district. That district proposed by SOS, a citizens group with the goal of solving the county's budget problems.
They could work towards a permanent solution that would be acceptable by everybody. That as far as SOS and their proposal, I'd fight you tooth and nail.
The proposed district would fund the criminal justice services that all county residents share, because all the agencies would fall within one district. Taxpayers would know exactly where their money was going if they voted to add funding. The sheriff says it may be a good solution to the county's problems.
And it's anecdotal. I don't have anyone to run statistics. We've definitely seen an increase in crimes.
The funding package that would go on the May ballot, averaging about $1.85 in property taxes per thousand of a home's value. But some Josephine County residents argue not everyone can afford the proposed increase in taxes.
It will affect seniors, those on fixed income. This is a poor county. We can't afford another $20 to $40 more of tax.
Though his family is on a fixed income, this resident says there are hidden costs involved in not paying extra money to fight crime.
And all of these things come down to costs that go back to the community, to the property owners. Nobody wants to come here and buy property. Nobody wants to come here and start businesses or buy businesses. So it affects all of us.
Others suggest the fees required to increase criminal justice services go to those areas bringing in the most crime.
If Grants Pass wants to help out 70% of the crimes committed in the city limits, they have $49 million rainy day fund. They could put $500,000 out of that to protect their own citizens.
But the sheriff says they're not necessarily committing more crimes, they just can have more arrests.
There's 11 square miles of densely populated, and they have, I don't know, 6, 7, 8 people on a shift, and they're constantly moving around. So these resources are available in a lot quicker response time, and they end up arresting a lot of people and bringing them to us.
Covering your news in Grants Pass, Jessica DeNova, News 10.
So here's what's next. A second public hearing is set for February 7th. That's when a final decision will be made whether to put the district on the ballot. We want to know what you think of the SOS plan. Friend News 10 on Facebook and leave us a comment.